to subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon, and get notified when the video drops.
Oh shit, you can see. What's up guys? We are live. अमल कुछ कहना चाहते हो?
नहीं, गाना है मेरे को और जाना है.
गाना है और जाना है.
नींद आ रही है.
अरे अभी तो मतलब 1 घंटे का कॉन्सर्ट करना है सबके लिए.
ठीक है, जरा ठहरता हूँ.
What's up guys? We are finally live together. I think एक साथ पहला लाइव है लॉकडाउन में. बाकी हम लोगों ने घर
दूर दूर से लाइव किया है. साथ में आई थिंक पहला प्रॉपर लाइव है. कल डैड ने ऑलमोस्ट कर दिया था.
How are you guys liking Zara Tero? What's the response? Are you guys loving it? हाँ, immediately answer तो नहीं मिल सकता. I have to wait for the comments.
Read
So,
to me also.
huh?
Read any.
You can't see na anything.
No, I've lost my chashma.
Okay. Congratulations, Zara Tero crossed 7 million views.
That's awesome.
Awesome. You guys are just going crazy on YouTube. Thank you for all the love. Well, I was thinking of starting the live session with Zara Tero. So let's go for it.
Yeah.
जरा ठहरो जरा बैठो करनी है बातें पास आओ और थोड़ा सर्द है रातें जुदा हम हो गए माना मगर ये जान लो जाना कभी मैं याद आऊं चले आना कभी मैं याद आऊं चले आना दन 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 It's so tough to pitch that. That's okay. So tough. बोल दो ना जरा दिल में जो है छिपा मैं किसी से कहूँगा नहीं.
Yeah, lovely.
I think let's talk to some of them. Now that we're together, we can go live with
Someone? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, we've not done that.
We've never done a live together and then gone live with someone. Vishal is here. What's up, Vishal? Lots of love.
What's up, bro? How are you?
There's a guy called Ronaldo Kabir. You want to take him live?
Ronaldo Kabir.
Armalian team. Let's take Armalian team live. Armalian team declined.
We have been rejected.
Oh God. Who else is there? समझ नहीं आ रहा है. Okay, randomly. Chirag करके we've added someone. Chirag Santwani. Connecting, so I think he's accepted it.
What memories of that song?
बोल दो नजारा ना.
What fun.
Crazy song. Okay, I think this is not working. What say? Okay, Dil Jeet Liya Paji. Ayushmann Sinha is saying Dil Jeet Liya.
Arey.
People are asking for Jab Tak Kaun Tujhe.
Yeah, let's do.
Let's do it.
Kaun Tujhe, you can do immediately.
Every time I sing songs from MS Dhoni, it just breaks my heart. Right now.
I don't sing them only, that's why it's tough.
Yeah, like so many people have asked me to do like a tribute for him, and like I don't think like that's something that I can even get myself to do.
Takes me back to all those days when we were making the music, me, Manoj sir, and ये film यानी मुझे पता है, you know, at this point of time, no one knows this, कि MS Dhoni, when it was announced as a film, no one had believed that it can be a musical, you know, album. And a lot of people, you know, when I chose that, apart from यानी 4-5 films छोड़ के मैंने picture, you know, I होता ना, you forget everything, don't to go after one.
Yeah.
And I chose this, and it's the only movie and the only soundtrack just say people actually know the real composer I am, you know. Like
Yeah, I feel
everything
like
else may work and be successful,
for sure.
but they connect that ki this is my music, which I'm proud of.
I definitely feel like that album is one of the best of yours, at least. In my
That's
at
the
least
only one I've done full also.
No, but one of my favorite songs, Kaun Tujhe. It's the most epic love song ever, and like for you to take a female singer, because it's very rarely done in our industry, you know, very few female solo songs, and Kaun Tujhe, even though I've done a male version of it, it's known for its female version, which is sung by Palak. Shout out to Palak for singing it so beautifully. I think let's do Kaun Tujhe. Let's do that. जिस दिन तुझको ना देखूं पागल पागल फिरता हूँ कौन तुझे यूं प्यार करेगा जैसे मैं करता हूँ कुछ तो है जो नींद आए कम कुछ तो है जो आंखें हैं नम कुछ तो है जो तू कह दे तो हंसते हंसते मर जाए हम.
People don't know about this connection, that this song was first going to be instead of Kaun Tujhe for this film.
Kuch to hai,
Kuch
right?
to
Yeah.
Hai was selected for MS Dhoni, but kahin na kahin it did not fit the emotion, because it you know, गाने में ऐसा लगता है कि दोनों की तरफ से कुछ तो है, you know, कुछ तो है is that kind of song.
Correct.
कि from the male and female perspective there is love.
Yeah.
But उसमें in the film it was relentlessly crazily in love was only Disha's character at that point of time in Dhoni. That's why Neeraj Pandey chose Kaun Tujhe, and so, you know, it's more what a woman would feel for a man, and that's one thing I think was a genius. Like Kaun Tujhe or Kuch To is a tough choice, but to choose Kaun Tujhe and believe, you know, a girl will sing it and we will not make it into a duet was the best decision for that.
And I've done a version of Kaun Tujhe and Kuch
Kuch
To
To
Hai ka mashup. Like that was such a cool, and especially the themes of both, they merged so
Like a
well.
blend.
Like both of them, just like it feels like part of one song.
What do you
Crazy.
think, Jab Tak?
In this key, it's a little too high, but maybe. Okay, let me remove the. ट्यून करना पड़ेगा मुझे. तब तक बातचीत करो.
What's happening, everybody? सब लोग मेरे को पूछ रहे like today I didn't post only about the song since 2 days, so they're like usually you post every day, and now you're not posting out your own song. But for that, I have to say thank you to you guys. कि already you've given it so much love and it's reaching out, and so many people are writing that particular line, which is that तुमको पाना चाहती है मेरी बरसातें. I think it's going with the vibe and the weather. And I have to say a big thank you to Rashmi Virag, who wrote Zara Thero with so much love and passion, and to the whole team, Tulsi and Mehreen, T-Series, everyone, the whole team. I think we've put out a good, non-film single. It's been a year since last. When did we do?
So it's, actually, I'll tell you, it's been 3 years since me, Amal, and Rashmi Virag have come together for a song. The last one was Tere Mere.
Really?
Yeah.
After that, we didn't do a song.
I've done songs with Virag sir, with another composer, but like us three together after Tere Mere, this is the song. Can you imagine?
Tere Mere, 3 years ho gaya, and now this is the first song of you, me, and him.
Yeah.
Damn, but they don't know there are more coming together. Those ones are even special.
Which song you want to sing? Jab Tak?
Yeah.
पहला लाइन क्या था मैं ऑलवेज भूल जाता हूँ. जब तक मैं दुआ तेरी आँच में.
Which first मैं start कर.
जब तक तेरी आँच में बूंद बूंद मैं जल ना लूं, जब तक तेरे साथ में चांद तक मैं चल ना लूं, हाँ मेरे पास तुम रहो, जाने की बात ना करो. So I always get confused in the lyrics of this song. You know why? Because there are two versions.
Even I don't remember.
So मैं कभी कभी दोनों versions का जो lyrics है वो mix up करके गाता हूँ. So I don't even know like.
मेरे को अब तक ये नहीं पता चला what the people have loved the version one.
I want to ask everyone, जब तक और जब तक Redux.
Yeah.
What is your favorite version of Jab Tak? My personal favorite is Jab Tak Redux. I don't know about Amal.
Yeah, I love that. The other one is more
filmy.
No, it's very alag. It's not filmy, but it's cinematic.
It's orchestral. It's orchestral.
And
the other one is pop rock. So
yeah, that's what.
मेरे को मजा आता है. Like it gives me
a vibe. It's a car drive.
दूरी सही जाए ना.
It's what that.
It's got that
road trip vibe. The other one has intensity. Bass abliya, we should say.
Yeah, let's go for it.
Take D or
D.
D.
Yeah, so. रास्ते भागे पाँव से आगे जिंदगी से चल कुछ और भी मांगे बेसब्रियां. This was dedicated to Sushant for his indomitable spirit that he always had. Each and every song of this movie has been a gem. I think just a few days back, it was MS Dhoni's birthday. And while I was wishing Dhoni sir a very happy birthday on Twitter.
And like wishing Sushant also happy.
I felt like it was Sushant's birthday as well, because I can't imagine anyone else as Dhoni. I think the way he was on screen playing him. Yeah, I don't know what else to talk about. Yeah, this was a heartfelt tribute to him, and yeah, that's about it.
happens.
Yeah, I mean, I I don't know what to say. All we can do is sing these songs and feel his presence in them. I think that's the way I can best express what I'm feeling right now.
I wish people, like now there's so much love given to all these songs. I know they were given pehle also that this much love, but
Yeah.
people are remembering him, respecting him. The trailers broken so many records. But imagine if he had seen all this while he was here. I don't know what he would have felt so great about his life.
About himself.
Sometimes I feel, like हम लोग सबको ऐसा एक लगता है ना कि have I done enough? Or, after doing enough also. Like a lot of people also feel when I see young people come up and say, we want to be like you, or they want to be like me as a composer. Or, for them, their journey is just started. We should be happy that in such a small time we have so many fans. We've got so much love. It's important. कोई याद नहीं दिलाएगा तो it's important हम लोग एक दूसरे को याद दिलाएं. मैं तुझे और तू मुझे.
Yeah.
That is important because when many times in this world we lose people who are good peers, they are not there to influence you positively. वो बहुत जरूरी है कि दोस्त नहीं तो एक इंसान होना चाहिए who tells you कि no bro, you did well, so don't stress. So I'm going to be that for you. I hope you are that for me.
Of course, man. What are you talking? It's always a lot of people ask me, कि आप अमाल के साथ बहुत गाते हो.
वो गानों में मैं नहीं गाता हूँ, मैं बैकअप सिंगर होता हूँ.
No, but I want to just say something. Like I think obviously I sing so many beautiful songs which are not composed by Amal as well. But it's just certain kind of synergy that both of us have together that I can't explain. I think it's just that हम लोग जब भी एक गाना करते हैं एक साथ मैं जानता हूँ वो क्या चाहता है और वो जानता है कि मैं क्या चाहता हूँ. So I think that kind of chemistry is very hard to come by, and I think it reflects in all the songs that we have done, even in Zara Thero. It just feels actually I had recorded Zara Thero in this room right here on this special mic. So it feels amazing, man, to sing for you always. He बहुत मारता है मुझे, बहुत गाली देता है, लेकिन but he means well and he always wants me to do my best. I think he's the only composer who tells me not to sing a lot. Like I think he just tells me to feel the song. Doesn't tell me to sing. Singing तो मैं खुद कर ही देता हूँ. A lot of singers have this tendency of over singing. Like हम लोग अगर एक लाइन को सीधा गाना होता है तो हम लोग ज्यादा मुर्खी करके गाते हैं. वो एक टेंडेंसी है हम सब में to kind of
like मुर्खी भी नहीं, मुर्खी जो अच्छी लगती है वहाँ पे यानी in Zara Thero also one place where you've done that, which is that line.
करनी है बातें.
अच्छा, then even at that point और थोड़ी देर चलने. Yeah, so यहाँ जहाँ beautifully आ जाता lyrics खराब हुए बिना, that's the place I like it. I don't like कि वो फिर तुम स्टेज पे करो यार, गाने में मत करो, मेरे गाने में.
नहीं, but I've learned how to sing simple and from the heart because of Amal. Like obviously I've learned so much from my gurus, but like he's been my in-studio guru. He's taught me a lot by beating me up.
I think everyone's learned music like that only. Like even when I was assisting Salim Sulaiman, I remember I was doing one background score and I was sure, confident कि like perfect match हो गया सब कुछ. And Salim sir comes and says, it's off by, he says off by 2-3 frames. I don't think it's right. Like, no sir, it's perfect. Then he just pressed some button, command, and he checked and zoomed into the session and it was off.
Oh,
so then he pressed enter and he just told me 87th film background score. And so then step by step everyone learns. Like so many times when you've come to the studio, when I've been recording elder singers in terms of age, like a lot of things people feel कि young है तो आसान नहीं होता वो singing करना. Obviously वो सीखना पड़ता 10 साल.
आसान होता तो मैं गा लेता.
But वो आसान नहीं था. I think you worked very hard and you've come for so many recordings where I've worked with maybe Shan Sir, Sonu Nigam or Arijit. In all their recordings you've come and you've worked hard. So I think the more you attended these recordings, the more you took back to record for your own song.
Thank you, man.
Even Arijit once told me, like, that when he heard Besabriya,
Yeah.
and he was like, bro, there's so much honesty in the way Arman has sung this song. He loves that song the most in MS Dhoni.
Besabriya.
Yeah, like even though he sung Phir Kabhi.
But even the energy I feel while singing Besabriya on my concert,
There
it
is
just starts my show. Like when I sing the song, I feel like now abhi jama hai.
मेरे साथ भी ऐसा होता है, like when I'm driving on anywhere, जब रात को कभी drive कर रहा हूँ to check like a mix,
Yeah.
and radio on कर देता हूँ, बाकी गाने बजते हैं, I'm like happy, चलो my music is playing. The minute Besabriya comes, I blast it and I call Arman or I make a story. I'm like, Arman, our song is playing, like as if it's the first song which is playing.
It's crazy.
It's the most special song of MS Dhoni. And I'm glad, all these kids also studying now during exams, and every time they're like, we are waking up in the morning listening to Besabriya and also Tu Bhula Jise, these kind of songs, and they're like, we feel like we need to study now.
It's
सिर्फ
amazing.
परवाह नहीं मत सुन लेना, बहुत जरूरी है, पढ़ना जरूरी है.
A lot of them are.
Emoticons are coming for Arman with kisses and hearts.
So many people are saying, can you please sing Butta Bomma?
Yeah, I love that song.
And Control.
No, I don't know the lyrics.
By the way, he understands Telugu better than me. Just saying. Should I sing Butta Bomma? आवाज करो.
आवाज मत करो बच्चों.
ఇంతకన్నా మంచి పోలికేది నాకు తట్టలేదు గాని అమ్ము ఈ లవ్ అనేది బబ్లు గమ్ము అంటుకున్నదంటే పోదు నమ్ము అరే దేవుడా ఇదే దాని లోపటే పిల్లడా అంట దగ్గరై నన్ను చేరా తీస్తివే బుట్ట బొమ్మ నన్ను చుట్టుకుంటివే.
SS Thaman and who's written the song?
రామ్ జోగయ్య శాస్త్రి గారు.
Beautiful. What a video also.
Allu Arjun,
everything.
Pooja Hegde. Crazy.
I like the David Warner dance on this. I love that little kid running behind doing all this.
Guess I'm under your control and I can't take it anymore.
You'll sing this in it?
How you gonna play me like that? Why you can make it complicated? You won't even text me back. You know the ways to keep me waiting. Say I'm done till you tell me come over. I can't help myself. Now I'm under your control. I wish I could see you now, have you around. 'Cause time just walks, it doesn't fly. Baby, I've been going around and round in circles now. Without you, I'm losing my mind. Losing my mind. All I want is you next to me. I think mini concert ho hi chuka hai. A lot of them are just sending emojis. They've made our own name like emojis. AMOJIs. AM के साथ.
Baba AM. Emojis. क्या
Amalians, Armalians. We love you guys, man. You all are, honestly, our music is there only. Obviously, it's there. But the kind of love that you guys show us with every release, with every song, every live session that we do, every concert that we perform at, you guys are just there, always supporting us. We love you guys a lot. Love you all. आज के लिए इतना ही.
जरा ठहरो गा ले एक बार, नहीं तो फिर बुरा मान जाएंगे.
पक्का.
One song से रिलीज ही हुआ है.
Okay.
गाने के लिए चेक चाहिए आपको?
नहीं. We'll have to
change back.
Capo कहाँ गया? All I want is you next to me. Everyone's saying Amal is chilling at the back, enjoying, while I'm doing all the mehnat.
Yes, now I made the song and it's done. Now I have to do other things.
1 second. Ready?
जरा ठहरो जरा बैठो करनी है बातें पास आओ और थोड़ा सर्द है रातें आसान होता तो मैं कब का कह चुका होता.
Zara Thero out now everywhere on all the platforms and everywhere you can imagine. It's out there in the world. Go listen to it, go stream it, go view it, keep sharing it with all the people that you love, your friends, your family, everyone. And
even we have to speak about the story. Everyone can, send us your entries with the hashtag, your Zara Thero story. That.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm going to be posting about it on my
I'm
story
gonna put
as
it
well.
right now.
So both of us are going to be putting something related to Zara Thero. So we want to see all your stories and we're going to keep sharing it, sharing all the love. Love you guys.
Thank you. Bye. Good night.
Bye. Good night.